9 Energy Service, Inc. reported fourth quarter 2021 net loss of $15.7 million and adjusted EBITDA of $4.6 million. For the fourth quarter 2021, adjusted net loss was $15.7 million, or $0.52, adjusted basic loss per share. The company had provided original fourth quarter 2021 revenue guidance between $92 and $100 million, with actual results falling above the provided range and representing a sequential revenue increase of approximately 13% quarter-over-quarter. We outperformed our Q4 revenue guidance due to strong performances in both cementing and completion tools, both of which outperformed market drivers this quarter, said Ann Fox, President and Chief Executive Officer, 9 Energy Service. They saw activity and pricing improvements across most of their service lines, which is reflected in our 13% increase in revenue quarter-over-quarter. Despite difficult market conditions in 2021, they were able to better position themselves to capitalize on what looks to be a growth environment for the near to medium term. For the 7th consecutive year, they grew their market share in the U.S.